In the previous video, we had understood a few of the functions like if, and or. In this video, we are just trying to understand how we can combine a few of them and get a new string so that we can have our multiple kind of cases in just one column. So like in the last video, what we will do is we will just try and understand that this is the first criteria where we have AND function. So I'll just edit this so that it becomes easy for us to understand, and this will be having an OR function. So we are saying that if the quantity is more than 10 and the price is 3000, we have a special discount. And the other thing is, if the quantity is more than 10 or if the price is more than 3000, then we will be having a small discount. So let us combine these two things, in fact all the three things, and we will just put it over here in a new column so that our data is quite similar and easy. So here what I'll write is, I will write over here the same, I'll just copy paste both the things over here. My first criteria is with AND function, and if it is true, I will be having the discount of 30%. And in the second one I have this as the situation. So if I just copy this, paste it over here, and if the second criteria is satisfied, I will be having a discount of 10%. And if nothing is there, it has to be coming out back as NA. So I may just have to write it as NA. So this is my ultimate criteria, and I'll write down this is my final discount. So this column will actually suggest if there is a discount or not. Now we can use a single formula and we can just keep on going ahead with it multiple times. So we will be just understanding how we can combine all those formulas and we can get an answer over here. So let us say if equal to, I'll start typing equal to if command, if my first criteria is satisfied, this criteria is satisfied, then I will be having a discount of 30%. If my second criteria is satisfied, I will be having a discount of 10%, and if neither of them is satisfied, I should be having a value as NA. So I will first start typing my first command. So for the first criteria was AND function. Again, I will go to quantity, which should be more than 10, comma. The next one is the amount, which should be more than 3000. I will just say that if this is true, then I should be giving a discount of 30%. So this is discount of 30%. Just add over here as 30% in double inverted commas, means it will return the value as a text. Now if this is false, what should be the case? If this is false, then I have to again apply another if, which says that if OR function is proper enough, if the OR function or the OR criteria is getting satisfied, I should be having a value of 10%. So what is my OR function? OR function says that this quantity should be more than 10 or my amount should be more than 3000. Now if this is satisfied, if this comes out to be true, then my value has to be coming out as 10%. So again I'll put it in double inverted commas as 10%. That should be the discount. And if this is also going wrong, then I'll simply write it as NA, that discount is not applicable at all. Now this is what you call as parenthesis or brackets. Now we have to very carefully understand that brackets are supposed to be closed for all the formulas that we have used, or all the commands or all the functions that we have used. So this bracket will always keep on indicating a few things. When you just go over the bracket, it gets highlighted. So just press the arrow keys, you will see it is getting highlighted. So this bracket is getting highlighted for the if function that we have used over here. So this is how it is getting used. Okay, now if I want to end up, so if we see this bracket got ended over here, this bracket got ended over here, but we don't have any bracket or any parenthesis which is closing this function. So to close this function, there is nothing given over here, and after this big complete if formula, the value if false is also found out, and now if I close it, I will be having my entire formula back. So now if the value is true, I should be getting 30%. If the value is false, I should go for an OR function which should give 10% if that value is true, and if nothing is true, I should get a value as NA. So in this case it is NA, because neither my quantity is more than 10 nor my amount is more than 3000. So now if I drag this down, I'm getting the values somewhere as 30%, somewhere as 10%, somewhere as any. So here it becomes very easy. Now these two columns that were used over here, these two columns, they are of no use at all. Correct? So this is how we can get a combination of all the requirements that we have using just a single if command, and I can simply just delete all these rows because they are of no use now to me. Now I can easily understand if at all the amount is more than 3000 or the quantity is more than 10, I can easily get a value which could be 30%. If either of one of them is getting satisfied, let us say over here, I have the amount over here as 27,200, but the quantity is only 4. So based on that, I am getting a 10% discount. I am available with a 10% discount. So these all things will be coming up over here. We can also have calculations ready with this. We can also get calculations like if at all these things are clear enough that 10% discount is there, then 30% discount is there, then we can directly get a value which is multiplied by with which is having a reduction of 30%, and we can get a final value as well. So this is how we can get all the commands together. We can merge a few commands into our formula, and we can get a complete new set of string of a formula which will give you the final results.